BMW.
Oh, R8 slowed down. R8 is...
Just waiting to get in. Look at this long line behind us. Super long line. We're stuck. Oh, we're getting track parking. That's that general admission. We're gonna park on the track. This is pretty cool. Yeah, we're legit on the racetrack now. It's a little warm outside too. Oh shit. This is pretty cool. Look at how big the brakes are on this. Sheesh.
I wonder what they'd say if you asked to sit behind the wheel. I'd really like to just feel...
Damn. Clean supercharger.
Obviously not real.
They're gone. The SUV better reaction time by 0.2 of a second. But it's the sedan that's able to drive by. Oh, it's green. Oh, yeah. Okay. 2.7 second reaction time left lane. Right lane gets there first with an 8:03 to a much quicker 7:58, and that's why the reaction time is so important. He got the better reaction Reaction time at left lane goes 7. Spoiler in the back. Not only does that help the car handle at high speeds, it's a great cup holder when they get back to the pits. And they're gone. The R8 reaction 8.4. Running down track, it's the R8 all the way. Right lane had his brakes on early. Thought he was going too fast. Trust me, 58 miles an hour is not too fast. 8:30. Last run, and oh, he rolls through the beams, gets a red light. Doesn't hold it in time. I think we saw this race earlier. The silver car won. Let's see what happens this time. Very green. Oh, this time we've got a bit of an upset. The Burger Lane found its legs and is running away. Burger Lane gets the win. 8:52 to a 9:02, 72. And pickup pulls away from 7:02 in the Burger Lane, and it's the Burger Lane capitalizing, taking the win. 7:31 to W. Pulls on his truck. Goes 8:07, 98 miles an hour to 999 and 7. Run up against the limiter. Off they go. Sedan is giving the R8 a good run and gets the win. 696 to a 733. 102 to 101 miles an hour. Beat up in BMW getting ready to go. Green light, and the Beamer pulls away first. Takes line for the BMW, as most BMW drivers prefer, as they head down track. Plus horsepower over in the left lane. And the air conditioning and radio work fine. Red light start, and the Volkswagen. I think we got a broken car. Just come to a stop, guy. Don't keep going. He's run a best of 763. Let's see what the Volkswagen can do. Fully staged, don't roll, it goes. Reaction times are low. Horse pressure and torque to move it quicker. Goes 748, 100 miles an hour. Track leaves the line first, 294, reaction to a 506. Left lane closing in, getting closer. Gotcha. Lanes. If you miss the first turn out, there's the second. This has got the Super V logo. Usually it was a bumblebee stripe across the tail of the car, and you knew that was going to be a performance vehicle. Charger digs in and goes. Volkswagen is caught in a heavy car. Can he pass him? He does. 749 to a 792. Full stage, both cars. Lights begin to drop, up against the limiter, and off they go. 211 to 255 reaction time. They are side by neck at the 50-foot mark. Halfway point to BMW, slightly ahead by 0.2 of a second. Holds on to a 950. All right, fully staged, both vehicles. Lights begin to drop, and off they go. Whoa, that way to the sidearm. First of all, TT late on the lights. And it is going to be the Burger Lane all the way.
And the tire just a little bit. The R8 is moving out. Uh-oh, R8 slowed down.